इसी तरह से दो भालू आपस में लड़ रहे हैं। अभी मैं हूँ
This rare wildlife moment was captured in Uttarakhand's Pithoragarh district. Two bears were seen engaged in an intense fight in the middle of a road. But the altercation is not an isolated incident. It is a warning sign. The Himalayan black bears, normally shy and solitary, were in all likelihood not fighting out of innate violence. But their behavior reflects growing pressure from environmental change and human expansion into their natural habitats. Himalayan black bears depend on forest ecosystems that are rich in natural food sources such as nuts, berries, roots, insects. But over the years, deforestation, road construction, and habitat fragmentation have steadily reduced these resources. As forests shrink and break apart, bears are forced into smaller territories where food is scarce and encounters with other bears become more frequent. The fight caught on camera likely stems from competition over limited food and limited space. Climate change has further intensified this pressure. Warmer winters and reduced snowfall disrupt normal hibernation cycles, causing bears to remain active for longer periods. This extended activity demands more energy at a time when food is already limited, leading to heightened stress, hunger, and irritability. In such conditions, bears are far more likely to engage in aggressive or defensive behavior, especially when they encounter rivals near valuable resources. These stresses also push Himalayan black bears closer to human settlements, triggering more human-animal conflict. In search of easy calories, they raid orchards, farmlands, and even garbage dumps along the forest edges. While bears generally avoid humans, repeated exposure blurs this boundary and increases the risk of dangerous encounters. When surprised while scavenging or when protecting food or cubs, bears may react defensively, sometimes with tragic consequences for both people and wildlife. Without improved waste management, habitat protection, and wildlife corridors, such conflicts between bears themselves and between bears and humans are likely to become more frequent. The viral video serves as a reminder that these animals are not intruders by choice. It reflects a growing imbalance between wildlife needs and human land use in the Himalayan region. They are survivors navigating a landscape that is changing faster than they can adapt, fighting not just each other, but for space in a shrinking world.